of plants. Plants as providers of nutrition. The root, stem, leaves, flowers, and fruits of different plants are eaten by us. We eat the roots of plants such as carrots, sweet potato, cassava, and radish. Potato, onion, sugarcane are stems that are important ingredients of our meals. Sugar is obtained from sugarcane. Potato is the fourth largest cultivated food crop in the world after rice, wheat, and maize. We eat leaves of spinach, mint, coriander, and many more. We eat flowers of broccoli and cabbage as vegetables. Apples, bananas, and grapes are some fruits that we eat. Seeds of the plants are also very useful. Cereals. Seeds like rice, wheat, corn are eaten as cereals. Pulses. Seeds like tur, urad, moong are rich in proteins are eaten as pulses. Nuts. Dry seeds of plants like walnut, almond, cashew nut, pistachio are eaten as nuts. Oils. Seeds of sunflower, coconut, soya bean, rice, sesame give us oils. Olive trees in the Mediterranean region give olive oil. Beverages. Many of the drinks we love come from plants. Fruits are crushed and squeezed to make drinks. Tea and coffee come from plants. Herbs and spices. Herbs and spices add flavor to our foods. Herbs are the leaves of plants, and spices are made from the roots, stem, flower, and bark of plants. Plants are used to make medicines. The bark of the tree of cinchona is used to produce quinine, a medicine for malaria. Basil, a sacred plant, is also used to treat cold and cough. Bark and leaves of neem and underground stem of turmeric, a spice, are used as antiseptics. Ginger is used to treat common cold. It also aids in digestion. Eucalyptus oil is used to treat cold. Alfalfa is a grass that has immense use in homeopathic medicines. Other uses of plants. Fibers like cotton and jute are used for clothing, packing, etc. Timber is for making furniture at homes and other settlements. Pulp from trees gives paper. Rubber and resin are used to make tires and waterproof fabrics and many other things. Fabric colors, paints, varnishes and polishes for our wooden furniture. Flower decorations form an important part of festivals and other celebrations. Many perfumes and essential oils along with ether, that is perfumes, are obtained from plants.